Hello, this is John with Northstar Lock and Door. Just wanted to do a real quick video on something that I see a lot on commercial doors. They have door closers on them and they adjust them so that they slam shut. The whole purpose of having a door closer is to keep the door from slamming on someone's hand. And this particular door is closing very, very quickly. Now, a lot of times door closers can just simply be adjusted to slow them down or to speed them up. So if you have like a handicapped accessibility issue where people are coming in with wheelchairs and they need more time to get into the door, then you can slow them down quite a bit. But in this case, it was already leaking hydraulic fluid, so that door closer is pretty much shot. So it's best just to go ahead and replace it. And if you should need any of your door closers serviced or replaced, we service Cartersville, Emerson, Ackworth, Kennesaw, Dallas, Hiram, Callahan, all the surrounding areas within Bartow and Cobb. Keep us in mind. Again, I'm John with Northstar Lock.